Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Friday, especially if you're along the market, and happy weekend. Here we are. What happened in the market today? Well, the S&P 500 closed up 1% today to make for a pretty strong week. Why were we up? Well, there wasn't really too much news. The news stories that I've read just simply point to Trump is going to be inaugurated on Monday. And we've kind of seen that movie before. The market seems to react favorably and bullishly towards Trump stuff. And we're going to get a lot of Trump stuff coming on Monday. So on Monday, we're going to have one of two things. Well, first of all, Monday, the market is closed. So on Tuesday, and really all through the rest of next week, there's not a whole ton of data coming out on the calendar. It's going to be mostly the market reacting to new policy changes by the new administration. And I think it's very likely that one of two things happen. Either the market continues to like what they're hearing and like the policies that are being enacted, and there's a chance that that could cause the market to rally pretty significantly. Or the market could react unfavorably if they believe that some of these policies could be inflationary, which would keep interest rates higher. Well, that could cause the market to react fairly negatively, and that could lead to a big move to the downside. So really, I think the most likely scenario for next week is just simply volatility. This is very likely to be, in the short term, another one of those really good straddles markets, which really don't come along that often. Typically, implied volatility is overpriced and straddles are tough to trade, but every once in a while, you get a market that becomes very conducive to straddles. Now, this one, with the VIX down below 16, which is a level lower than we've seen in, well, a while. I mean, these are daily charts. I mean, 16 is, for the past 6 months, a lower level, right? Definitely in the bottom 25% of the prices over the last 6 months. So that means that implied volatility is inexpensive. That means that options are inexpensive. And if we do get some movements of magnitude over the next week, straddles could be a really, really good play. Well, I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Have a great rest of your weekend and trade smart.